After being held by Yanga SC in Tanzania in the CAF Champions League quarterfinal first leg, Mamelodi Sundowns coach Rulani has made a major declaration ahead of the second leg. The Brazilians and Yanga played out to a 0-0 draw at a packed Benjamin Mkapa Stadium on Saturday evening. Despite having the Lions' share of ball possession, Mokwena's men couldn't find the breakthrough to get an away goal. The two will clash again in the return tie on Friday, 5 April at the Loftus Versfall Stadium in Pretoria. When asked whether Sundowns would make it to the next stage, Mokoena was quick to state that he thinks his side will seal the semi-final spot, and said, "Yeah, of course. I think we will see Sundowns in the next round. I'm very confident about that. In fact, what's the plan? The plan is to get home safe now, rest, drink lots of water, sleep, analyze the game and prepare for Richards Bay. We've got a very important league game on Tuesday, so that's the plan for now." Sundowns played the first leg without the club's captain Themba Zwane due to suspension. This was after he accumulated yellow cards in the group stages. Mokoena admitted that they missed the Bafana Bafana playmaker. He's delighted the 34-year-old will be available for selection next week, and said he's the captain of the team and he's an important part of the team. "Of course, we missed him a little bit today, but everyone tried. I'm happy with the commitment and the effort of the team, especially in the second half." Okay, let's build on that. It's not always easy coming from the FIFA break, the first game after the international break. But okay, let's see how it goes. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.